So in today's gold analysis, we're going to see how yesterday's trade played out. I pointed out that we have a critical level to contend with here. So I was making us understand that any move into this area should offer a sell position. However, if we get the market begin to close above this area, that we'll be looking for long positions towards these highs. Okay, and when the market opened, we saw a weekend gap here. So there was a very strong weekend gap, as we can see. So the market jumped from where it closed. It closed right here, and the market opened right inside of that very supply zone, and it was able to break above that supply zone and never retested it. So price has been moving up ever since then. What next? That is the question. So are we still going to see the market come up towards the top of this channel before coming down? Are we going to get the market come down from here? So that is exactly what we'll be looking at today, and we'll be looking at all possibilities. So the first thing we need to note is that we are still having an upside fake out here, and a fake out in one direction always leads to an extended move to the opposite direction. That means that this fake out here should take price down to the bottom of this channel. We were getting closer here to the bottom of this channel before the price rallied back up. So with this whole bullish momentum, we are heading into an area of consolidation. Look at this area. We had consolidation here. So this area of consolidation should be able to push some resistance to the price, to push the price back down towards this area, at least to retest this since the break. Because if you watch very closely, let's look at this very closely. If you watch very closely, since this candlestick broke above this resistance, it has not retested it. That has created some imbalances here, which will most likely send the price back down towards this area, at least to retest this area. And also look at this gap, this weekend gap. There is need for it to be filled. And finally, remember that we are heading to the bottom of this channel, seeing that we got a fake out here. So expect some bearish pressure from around this area, this area of consolidation. And if in any case we see price come up to this area and break above this channel top, then this fake out is invalidated and the price will continue moving up. But we are still having a fake out, which will lead to an extended move to opposite direction, which will be at least to around 4,280 area. That would be the area where the price will complete the symmetry, because the market loves symmetry. So that is exactly what will be playing out in gold as the chart presents to us.